entered in my blood because I'm a big brand advocate for what we do. I lean into and I own the fact that I'm a Hire A Hubby. And don't forget, this is 11 years down the track, right? And it's still strong for me. You know, I still want us to be successful as a group no matter what we do. You want to get my back up, talk to me in some sort of a meeting where you've got a bit of a gripe with Hire A Hubby, and I'll back you, back us and the brand every single time. I had a customer recently talk to me about it, and they say, oh, could you do what you do outside of Hire A Hubby? And the answer is, yeah, I could, right? But to me, it's a bit like, having a gym membership, and you've got this pride of connection to it, where all the equipment's new, and there's a buzz to it, and it's got a bit of a hum, and it keeps you accountable because you're part of this gym membership. You feel obligated to go and be the best you can be. You can have, a set of dumbbells at home or a gym set at home, but you'll end up like everybody else's gym set at home, not being used, right? So being part of that greater, bigger thing, that's really the juice for me. And as I said, I lean into it and I own it.